Come on, let's go ride the monorail from the Bellagio to the park. Let's go. Next tram, and it gives you a little signage. Next tram, the Crystals area and Park MGM. We're heading for the Park MGM. Take a see what's going on. But it is really hot today, you guys. Ooh, very, very hot. And then the view from the tram platform. That's the platform. You can see the high roller and the flamingo.
Doors are now closing. Please stand clear.
Here we are. Whoops. Went the wrong way. Hey. La da 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 da. Check out the pool. To that pool action. Woo! Must be nice. All right. And that is a very simple an easy way to go from the Bellagio to the park. Now, especially on a hot day like today, that usual is a 15-minute walk or so from the Bellagio to the Park MGM. Just takes, what, maybe 4 minutes by tram. Add on a couple minutes for walking, getting to the tram itself. Then, yeah, it really is very nice. Yeah? Okay. Man, look at this gut. Jesus. Now, I normally don't film inside casinos because I'm afraid of getting caught and getting booted out. But today, we just walk through and try to get out to the, walk through the Italy, yeah? Before we get nailed or nabbed, all right? Maybe. Let's see what happens. Went out to he scores! here at Italy. Italy still seems to be banging business. Always crowded. All right, you guys, that was a quick walkthrough from the Bellagio via tram through the park to Italy. Thanks for joining me today on this hot ass day in Vegas. I will see you again sometime. Au revoir.